Hello guys, today I'm going to let you know the unique feature of the all new Verna. The unique feature is that the ventilated seats. This type of feature you can find only in some of the premium cars like BMW, Benz, Jaguar, etc. Let's try it out. Yes, as you can see, the seat cover is blowing up. The air started coming through the seats. It feels very cool and also good. And one more thing, you can get only cold air from this feature, not any type of heated air. Feels very cool. It's very helpful during summer long drives. Yes, it feels very good. I'll make you listen the sound of the ventilated seat. Hope you hear that. I'm not sure that you'll hear in my mic. Okay guys, the the air will come through these holes and it feels very cool, and you can maintain the air out from this button like 1 2 3 levels. Yes, thank you guys.